Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to look at this little portulacaria afra lilliput, and you can tell it's a pretty small tree. My hand is much bigger than the tree, but it's been in this little pot for probably, I don't know, a year, and I think I'm just going to put it in a little bit bigger pot. It's kind of outgrowing this one, and we'll get it in a little bit bigger one. Trying to decide between a couple different pots. They are a little bit oversized, but it won't take long for this tree to kind of fill in. So that's what that one would look like. And that's that one. So I'm kind of I like the color of the cream one, but I think I like the size of the blue one better. Because the tree just looks really small in this one because it's a little bit bigger pot. So I think for today we'll put it in this blue one and save this for either for this tree later on or another tree. So let's go ahead and get the tree out of here. It's not tied in. We'll see if it'll slip out. Looks like it's going to. And the roots are pretty well wrapped around there. Don't really want to mess them up too bad, but I am going to see if I've got any roots that I can kind of expose a little bit. Not a whole lot yet. I always try to do this when I repot. If you want that root flare, I just always try to expose a little bit of the root base each time I repot it, and that way, you know, you'll get that flare at the bottom. This one's got a little bit developing. Even with such a small tree, it still develops you can see a little bit of the flare there. Put my hand behind it so you can see. It's a little wet. It watered this morning. It's not ideal to repot it when it's wet, but I'm not planning on cutting any of the roots, so we should be good. Still trying to look here. Just trying to expose a little bit more. It'll grow a lot faster once I get it in this bigger pot. It just didn't have a lot of room to throw out new roots. Yeah, we got a little bit of root flare there, so that'll be good. So we'll go ahead and get the pot up here. I don't know if I'm going to tie it in or not. Should be stable enough. I don't know, it's not going to be very deep though. Tell you what, I think I might throw a little bit of wire in there just to help keep it stable. I'm just going to go kind of catty-cornered. I'm going to go in this corner over here, and then this back corner. Kind of like that, kind of catty corner, cross corner from each other. We'll go ahead and get some soil in here. And I'm going to use a mix of my normal bonsai mix, and my little mame mix, because some of those particles are pretty big. And I've got this other mix here that I use for my really, really small trees. It's kind of the sifted, not really the fines, but probably about a 1/16 of an inch lava rock and akadama. So I'll kind of put some of that in there to kind of help fill the voids on some of those big particles on these small trees. It still has good drainage too, so that's good. So I think that's going to be it right there. I think I might offset it to the left just a hair. And put that over there. Just making sure I'm keeping it straight here as I tie it down. Doesn't need a whole lot. The tree's not very heavy, but I just think it needs a little bit just to keep it stable. I think that'll just about do it. Cut the extra wire off and then stick it down in the soil there. And that way the tree's nice and stable. Go ahead and put a little bit more soil around it. And I'll continue to mix in some of this smaller particle stuff. And just kind of tap on it to settle it all in. Using my fancy soil scoop here. Whatever works, right? Especially for these small pots. Bigger scoops just don't cut it. We'll get a little bit more in there. Just kind of tamp it down. Just push it down with my thumbs here just to make sure it's all settled in. And then there we go. I don't think I'll do any pruning on it today. Didn't really need it. Could probably take this branch off, but I think we'll just let it settle in and continue to grow. Then I'll prune it here in another few weeks or so. So let me give you a quick spin around here. There's the front. There's the left side, there's the back, right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.